Ebigambirwa hakusima kw'abashomesa abo mu kanisa ya All Saints Church Greater Bushenyi obabiye nibasiima Ruhanga owabarabize gye mu kukora ebigezo by'omwaka 2022 kandi bashabirwe kumanya ngu nibo bantu bakuru mu ihanga eryahakuba nibo barukwatirire.
Jesus was a teacher and I'm also a teacher, so I'm second to Jesus. Teachers, you need to know that. You need to know that you are second to Jesus. So, others come after. Others, the doctors come after, the teachers, the lawyers come after. So, you should be proud, you should be happy to be a teacher.
Let me use these papers to catch tabo. Ati ogunomushomesa ya presenting abana bagirachi abashomesa wabo inakachimu oine omushomesa oine nechitabo rohinduri hangariyo bashikiriza mu muchomera ngaro.
Mukuru w'ebyobwegyesa bwa Bushenyi Ishaka Municipality asimira abashomesa bwo murimo murungi gubakozire omu bigezo ebyo.
Abashomesa abegyesa namwe n'omukimanyire muzeire ninga niwe owa professional bijo omanye ngo ni uburyo bushomesa ni uburyo mwegyesa nobora batari mwegyesa wachoka rubaho kongo mwegyesa noza mwegyesa bikire ebirabaza kubera umwana ninga baza kumwegyesa ndamutomeze
kora kandi most especially ramwe n'abashomesa y'abana umwako bwinde kabakorera je kandi kabasete katwizina rundi inda kubasha mu mumehanizaho kora mu murundi urushomesa kandi mutereza na Ruhanga.
Okuchondozo kukozirwa mu kyanga kya Bushenyi Ishaka Municipality nikwerekwa nga abazire bingi nibaherera abasindika abana babo mu mashomero bitu bari kugaruka hishomero okumanya ibiri kufa abana babo.
Izo municipality bakakora mu muhango basinga actually mu ihanga ryo nabakoranye munonga bwe ntushazire kugira ngo tubete hamwe basimira hanga kandi kubachikora izoberi kandi kusimira hango kwakombe ibintu bingi imwe Ruhanga byabarabizimu muraka turabyo mu corona yayikura amashomero eco necyembabazi twakisimira Ruhanga kandi nabwe it's a uniting factor ubareta nkaha nk'abashomesa bona amashomero.
Gashaka Ben umuhozo mu Bushenyi.